22 and newer Hyundai Tucson cabin air filter change. Super easy. Open the glove box, squeeze the outside edges here together and it'll pop down a little bit. If you need more room, there is a little arm right there you can pop off, but it's not completely necessary. Then come in here and on the right side, squeeze these little tabs together, pull out on it. It will unclip from the left-hand side. Grab the old filter and carefully pull it out so you don't dump all the crap everywhere. Grab your new one, make sure the airflow is pointed down. Slide it in there. Grab this piece, hook that into the left side, and push it in. Squeeze the glove box back together, push it back up. If you took that rod off, don't forget to put it back on, and you're done.